This is a full refrigerator wiring. The way the wiring is like in a refrigerator. Lights. Some Chesapeake you'll find light outside, right? There are 3 lights, and you got 4. But they already with 3 lights. Normally when you open your box, you see light can come on, right? When you close it, the light go up. This is referring to it as the inside light. When you open the box, the light come on. You close the box, the light go up. That's a switch that do that going. This is a switch here. So now, for instance, the box is open, so the light is on, right? When you press it, which means the box closed, so the light go up, right? Put it back on, box open, that's why the light come on. Connect this as the inside light. The connection is here, and this is the power light telling you that there's a power coming in the refrigerator, right? So anytime power is in the refrigerator system, this light will turn on. And also, this one will tell you that this system is running. That's why you see the compressor sounding, right? This is the compressor running. So it tells you that this light indicating that this compressor is what? Off already. So if we turn this light off using the thermostat, the compressor will go off. When the compressor go off, the light will go off, telling you that the compressor is off. So this is an indication telling you that the compressor is running, right? This is the thermostat switch. You regulate the thermostat switch to determine your cooling. So we turn it up high, it will be over. More cooling. If we go back, if I just turn it off, which I will do it later, if I just turn it off, the light will go off, it's going to go off. But for now the system is running. If you feed there, you see the temperature is hot. You can come and feed it. Temperature is hot. Up there, we got cooling running through. If you feed this one, you will see it getting cold.
Yeah, you can see it.
It's getting cold, right?
Yeah.
It's getting cold. And this thermostat got a sensor that's routed to the evaporator core there. Seen it?
Yeah.
This evaporator core, when it gets very cold, it builds ice. This sensor will get cold. When this sensor gets cold, it sends signal to the thermostat. Telling the thermostat to turn the compressor off because inside is already cold. That's the time you'll see the thermostat will turn off. Right? But since in the case we are operating this thing on open field, it will take time for that sensor to get hot. I mean to get very cool, right? But feed the evaporator first, see the temperature change there. When we feed it, then I will bring the refrigerator, we'll open the refrigerator on it so that this compressor can go up on temperature. I will not turn this off. I will let it go up on temperature. So go there, everybody feed the evaporator core and see how it's cooling. Feed the evaporator core. Feed it.
Shine on it.
What's that now? Because this is cold, right?
Yeah.
Although our evaporator getting cold, right? We're experiencing small ice already. If you can feel this, that one there feel it?
Yeah.
It's already building ice, nice. But we want to turn it up on temperature. If I just turn the thermostat now, it will go up, right? But now we want to turn it up on temperature. Go back, look at that thing, would have been when I cross my lane. Cross my lane, I get from with you. So let's close this first. Open the refrigerant. And now we're gonna release cold refrigerant to the sensor bulb right there. And when it gets cold, it should turn the compressor off and the light should go up. So let's see if we got gas coming out first. Alright. We're gonna do come, hold this. Once you open it, you open it right. Alright, you open it from the blue, not the red. Open it, watch out. Watch what happens. Okay, close it. Right? It turn off on what? On temperature, see it?
Yeah, very cool.
Because this is cold. It tell you that the evaporator not get cool, right? It's very cold, and so this sensor sends signal to the thermostat to turn the whole system off. So when that sensor get hot, which means inside your bath is hot again, right? It will turn the whole system back on. So when you rushing anything, waiting for it to come on by itself. Like waiting on itself. When you touch the thermostat, like waiting on itself, it will turn on by itself. But if you do it too fast, you observe so the compressor will not come on. Because compressor don't have to turn on and off every 5 seconds though. But if you take 10 to 15 minutes, the compressor will come on. What happens? It will come on, right? It will only like on. But why happens the compressor not on, right? Because it went too fast. So this compressor won't come on because the cycle was too short. So it will rest by the 10 to 15 minutes or 10 minutes before it come on. So for this case, we'll turn the system off and allow compressor rest. But this is the full cycle, this is the way it works. Any question? Turn it off and allow compressor rest. Any question?